You bought an air fryer to eat healthier. But what if that appliance releases toxic fumes every single time you cook? Millions of people are asking this exact question about Ninja air fryers right now. The internet is packed with scary headlines and contradicting opinions, but almost nobody gives you the actual science behind it. Today, we change that. We break down exactly what is real, what is wildly exaggerated, and what you genuinely need to watch out for. This is the honest answer you have been looking for. Stay with us. Here is the problem. You search Ninja air fryer toxic, and you get forum posts, Reddit threads, and blog articles that completely contradict each other. Some claim PTFE coatings will poison your entire family. Others insist it is completely fine. Nobody explains the full picture clearly. Meanwhile, you are standing in your kitchen wondering if last night's chicken wings were actually safe to eat. That uncertainty is exhausting and unfair. You deserve a straight answer backed by real information, not internet guesswork and fear-driven headlines designed to get clicks. The key issue is non-stick coating, specifically PTFE, which is commonly known as Teflon, and the older chemical PFOA that was once used to manufacture it. Here's the truth. PFOA was fully phased out of manufacturing by 2013. Modern Ninja air fryers do not contain PFOA at all. PTFE itself is chemically stable and safe at normal cooking temperatures below 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Air fryers typically max out at around 400 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Under normal use, the coating does not break down into harmful chemicals. The danger only exists if you severely overheat an empty basket repeatedly over time. Let's look at the Ninja 5QT Air Crisp Basket Air Fryer specifically. It uses air crisp technology, pushing superheated air at 400 degrees Fahrenheit in a powerful circulation pattern around your food. That temperature sits safely below the threshold where PTFE coating becomes chemically unstable. The 5QT non-stick basket and crisper plate hold up to 4 pounds of fries or 5 pounds of chicken wings comfortably. The coating on this model is PFOA-free. As long as you avoid metal utensils and never overheat an empty basket, this unit is considered safe for regular daily cooking by any standard. Next is the Cosori TurboBlaze air fryer. This model features TurboBlaze technology delivering a powerful 3,600 revolutions per minute fan speed for rapid, even airflow throughout the cooking chamber. More airflow means faster, more even cooking at lower effective temperatures. That is actually a direct safety advantage. You spend less time at high heat to achieve great results. Cosori uses PFOA-free non-stick coatings across their entire lineup. The TurboBlaze is a strong pick if you want serious cooking performance without compromising on material safety. It is one of the most thoughtfully engineered options available right now. The Cosori 5-fan speed air fryer oven takes safety and precision even further than standard models. Its unique 5-fan speed system pairs with precise temperature control ranging from 90 degrees Fahrenheit all the way up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. That level of control matters enormously for both results and safety. You are never accidentally blasting food at a dangerously high temperature. Precise heat management keeps the non-stick surfaces well within their safe operating range at all times. The result is evenly cooked food with perfect texture every single time. This is smart engineering that directly makes your cooking safer over the long term. For families, the 14-in-1 versatile air fryer oven with a spacious 26 QT capacity is worth serious consideration. It combines 7 dedicated air fry modes covering fries, chops, shrimp, and more. The full accessory set includes a wire rack, bake pan, fry basket, rotisserie fork, and 10 skewers. A larger oven cavity means food is never pressed tightly against a hot-coated surface. That directly reduces physical wear on the non-stick coating over time. More interior space actually contributes to a longer coating lifespan, which keeps your cooking environment safer for years of regular use. Here is the honest takeaway. Modern Ninja and Cosori air fryers are not toxic under normal everyday use. The PFOA scare is largely outdated since that chemical has not been used in manufacturing since 2013. PTFE coatings are chemically stable and safe below 500 degrees Fahrenheit. To protect yourself and your family, never preheat an empty basket for extended periods. Always use silicone or wooden utensils to avoid scratching the coating. Replace your air fryer immediately if the coating is visibly damaged or chipping. At airfryerguidance.com, we test and research these products thoroughly so you never have to guess. Cook with complete confidence. Want the complete breakdown with product comparisons, safety ratings, and our top picks for every budget? We have done all the research for you. Visit airfryerguidance.com right now to access every guide, comparison, and recommendation we have published. Whether you are buying your very first air fryer or upgrading to something safer and more powerful, our guides cover every major model from Ninja to Cosori to large capacity oven options. Drop your questions in the comments below and we will answer them directly. Subscribe for weekly honest reviews. Head to airfryerguidance.com today. Cook faster, eat healthier, buy smarter.